Okay guys, so as you can see, I have my hair in a ponytail, and I achieved this ponytail just by using the Green Eco Style gel. And on my edges, I'll be using the edge booster, almost empty, but yeah. So I just wanted to show you how I lay my edges. I already started. I was like, let me go back in for you guys. Just kind of take my finger, just put it on there, give it a guide, swoop my hair around it. You can make this as big as you want. You really want this to lay, so after you do this part, you can go ahead and wrap it up so it can take its form and it can lay. The good thing is the weather isn't hot anymore, so that's even better. If you want to take your sideburns down, pull those two pieces, I forgot what they're called, but you can pull them down on each side. I may do it. I'll see. Let me do it for you guys. Whoops. Some of my hair in there. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, and I think I have a video about this already, so oh, I need to get some more, guys. I keep forgetting I put this on my wrist so I don't have to keep digging in that jar. And this ponytail, I already did it off camera, but it's just a stocking, well, it's actually a knee-high that I wrapped around because it's so comfortable, guys. I don't know if you ever used a knee-high, but when I first went natural, somebody told me, then I started seeing people on YouTube do it, to use a knee-high, and oh my goodness, it's just so comfortable on your hair. I would choose that over any ponytail holder. It's just so comfortable on your hair. This one not cooperating, but you know what? It is all good. And I'm just gonna go and just dab a little gel on that. Just, to me, it gives it an even better hold with the bow. And you don't want to forget about the back. So make sure you get what they call it, your kitchen. Can't forget about that back there, okay? I don't line the back of my hair anymore. I just kind of let it grow out however it grows. So I'm going to add some gel on top of that. Take my brush and brush up. So yeah. And so this is my little ponytail. As you can see, it may be looking a little dry right now. I just washed my hair, deep conditioned it, but this is going to be up. So I just want to make sure it's nice and moisturized. So I'm just putting some leave-in conditioner on here. I definitely want to make sure it is detangled. So always start from the ends of your hair. And if you're wondering what's on my wrist, whoops. If you're wondering what's on my wrist, it was a metallic tattoo, like an African type metallic tattoo that I took my shower, it just washed off this morning. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to take this and twist it really tight. You can get a black knee-high, guys. Please don't get this color. I got the Southern Grandma color. And then I'm just going to bobby pin this. I'm going to use one more because my hair is so thick. It is so cold outside, guys. It got so cold. Let me get my ponytail holder. And so what I'm going to do is I added a little purple to this hair. This is the pre-stretch hair. And so I'm just going to take this ponytail holder, sit the hair on top of it like this, and then you pull one of the ends through the loop. And there you have it, right there. Okay. And so you're going to take this and wrap it around that ponytail. And we're going to try to achieve a beautiful top knot. Okay. So what I'm going to do is take the hair and split it in two. And then I'm going to twist it, two-strand twist it. I'm just cutting off this little extra down here. Don't need that. Would you just fall for me? Close your eyes and just fall for eternity, for eternity, for eternity, for eternity.
From this point of view, I'm seeing through. Regret hurts more than rest, that's my experience. I'm spitting truth, and yes, you're the anomaly. No, there's nothing rational. This was for the taking. Yeah, it could be, yeah, it should be. Or if you're all believing what I'm teaching.
Okay, guys, so now I am just going to take my scarf and wrap my hair. And I'm just going to let it sit for about 20 minutes. And then I'll come back and, well, I guess I better do it this way. And I'm going to sit for about 20 minutes and I'll come back. Okay, guys, let's see what it's looking like. Cool. So yeah, that is basically it. This is how I got my top knot. All you need is, like I said, some hair. I like the pre-stretch hair, but you can use any type of braiding hair, Kanekalon hair. You want to get hair that matches your texture pretty good. So yeah, you can also use curly hair because you know our hair is curly. So you can get the more curly hair. It could be the Bohemian one. That's one of my favorite, or the Jerry curl one, or it can be the uh, what's the one I just took out? Or like the Jamaican bounce hair. All of those. Which one did I just take out? Oh, it's the wine curl one. Yeah, something wine curl. When you put it all in there, guys, it's just gonna match our. Sorry, guys, I'm rushing. It's just gonna match our hair texture like so perfectly, and you probably wouldn't think it would, but once you put the product on there, you'll see how it just like transforms your hair. And you know how natural hair works, but I'm really talking to those who are newly natural. So yeah, if you just finally able to get your ponytail, which is like goals, okay, when you go natural, you want to be able to get a ponytail. So yeah, and if you're not there yet, be patient. It's gonna come, okay? Your hair will grow and you will be able to put your hair in a ponytail. But this is how it looks. I have not seen the back yet, so if something is wrong, I'll fix it. Or just fix yours if you decide to try it. And I just added this purple because I just think it looks so cute. Yeah, so that's basically it, guys. If you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and subscribe. Please leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Or if there's any other styles you want me to do, I will try my best to get them uploaded. And like today, I posted 3 videos. Well, I uploaded, or should I say recorded 3 videos in one day. So I'm just going to take time to like record, maybe pre-record sometimes just to make sure I have videos coming. And now that my kids are older, I feel like I can, you know, stay up with the YouTube stuff, but I'm not promising anything because life happens. Okay, sometimes God leads me in a different direction, and of course I'm going to follow where he leads me. So I'll give you keep you guys posted though, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks so much, guys.